Hi my people, how are we doing? So let's quickly do this. It's very simple to grab, but this method is very unique and you usually not it. So you can use any material, but yeah, you can use any material. If you want to use ashoke as well, you can use it for it, and you can as well use ankara for this tie. So you can see what I'm doing. I joined the two edges together with rubber band. Then you place it at the front of your head like this. So now I'm going to tie. We are not going to tie, so just continue watching. So I'm trying to arrange the front very well so that black cap won't be appear. So that's what I'm trying to do. So now we're going to dress the back very well so that the bar will not appear. So now we are not going to tie. So guys, we don't want to tie this place. You just twisted it like 2 times. So it depends on how long the scarf you are using it, the material you are using, how long it is, so that when you bring it to the front like this, if you discover that it's too big, then you can put it down again and you can put it back again and we twisted it at the back, maybe like 4 times. You can see what I'm doing. So when I discover that it's still long, so I have to put it down again and twist it. So now it's okay like this. So I'm trying to adjust the front. Now we take it up again, then use rubber band. You can see rubber band to bound it. Band it together. Yeah. So you can see that I spread. Now I will spread that place. I will spread that place to my own satisfaction, as in the way I want it to be. I will now round it with the first flower that we have at the front. So that first rose. Now I have to do it very well. I have to do it very well. Now this place now, I will use a pin. So I will use pin to pin that place down. Then adjust it very well. Adjust it very well and do it to my own satisfaction. That's what I'm doing. Then you adjust that place. Adjust that place very well. So guys, please and please help me share this video. I'm begging you guys, help me share, like, comment, please. The more you engage, the more the video go viral. So it now depends where you want your style to be. Is it side, front, or the other side? Which one? So guys, how did you see this style? Okay guys, please and please share, let other people see it. So guys, I love you all. See you in my next video. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to adjust it very well. So that place is not closed. I later do what? Close it very well. So see you in my next video. Bye.